In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate a different way to import a form if it's a copy of one that's already in your account. You might prefer to use this method if, for example, you were sent a copy of your form to someone else who has then made modifications and send it back to you. Instead of importing it as a new form, you can use this method to import it as a new version of the existing form. This import feature is triggered from the Forms dashboard with the specific existing form selected. Before we trigger the importation of the form, do check the current version number of the form. In this example, it's 0.1. Look for and click the Migrate button. From the dialog box that pops up, select the option to Import Form Design and press the OK button. Browse to and select the new version of the form and follow the import wizard as you would for a normal import, but without the option to change the name. Note that after the import, the version of the form is now incremented, in this case to version 0.2. The topic of forms versions is something that will be covered in other tutorial videos.